we are going to learn how to replace brake pads on your e-bike. So, first thing you are going to need is an invoice number 5. Yes. And first thing you want to do is to remove these 2 screws. Make sure you put them where you can find them. Now you can remove your caliper. You see, these are your brake pads. And in order to remove them, we need to remove this lock here. So we need a plier, and we'll need to make this part straight so it can slide out. So this is how you do it. And here it goes. Again, put it where you can find it. And now you can take your brake pads out. So you see the shape to these brake pads. Make sure you have the right ones because you can find them in many different shapes. So, and you get this metal part, and this is the lock. So, as you can see, you have this hole in this metal part, and so you have it on your brake pads. So you want it to match. How they act. So, your calipers are here. You see this hole again there. That need to match this one, so let that be your guide, and you just put them in like this. Yes, till you're sure that this lock can slide in through all the holes in the parts. So here we go. And there it is. And now we need to bend this tip so it stays in its place. There we go. We need our screws again and the invoice 5 again. So your brake pads are replaced now.